Meaning of huntress.
huntress,
Huntress.
huntress,
Huntress. The term huntress refers to a female hunter or a woman who hunts for animals. The word is derived from the word hunt, which means to pursue and capture wild animals. The concept of a female hunter has been present throughout history in various cultures, often representing strength, independence, and skill. In modern times, the term can also be used metaphorically to refer to women who are determined and persistent in pursuing their goals. Overall, huntress is a word that evokes imagery of a capable and powerful woman skilled in the art of hunting.